Hello guys, it's me again with another video. Today I'm doing an unboxing again of the Simpsons, another compilation. This is Bart Wars. It's the front of it. This side. There's the back.
Why are you so fat? Okay, ask him about anything but his weight. You act Asian, you look Native American, your name is possibly Jewish. What are you? Big fat.
Here's the paper.
Alright, Peter. Most professional wrestlers become addicted to painkillers at some point.
And then here's the little book that comes with it. Yeah, it has the other 4 compilation DVDs. And it advertises just box sets.
Man, I love putting my hand down my pants when I'm on drugs.
This is just go live on a boat in some guy's backyard.
And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and stay safe and get vaccinated. Have a good day. Like, subscribe. Bye.